Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into a JeffCo Employee Account. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in JeffCo Employee Login. Then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as jeffcopublicschool.org. In my case, it's the first one, so tap on it. And now we're in the official website of JeffCo and also under this employees section. Now scroll down a little bit, then tap on this button Access Team JeffCo Intranet. And here you will be facing a form asking for your username to log into your account. So type your username in the text field given for your username, then tap on the next button. Then you will need to provide your password to log into your account. So type a password in the text field given for your password. And when that's done, tap on the login button. And then you will be logged into your account successfully if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.